Okay, so Selenium WebDriver, in this we can write different programming languages. And the third point what I have given is this has to be done in Eclipse. What that means, if you are working on WebDriver, especially you need Eclipse. Okay, any version of Eclipse you can work with. Okay, so to give you a clear idea about this WebDriver, let me show you how exactly is your WebDriver works. This is how exactly it looks like. This is your Eclipse. These are your packages where you can create your project package and class. And this is a place that is public class browser. What you can see here is my web driver where I can write my programs in different programming language. Okay, and this something in red is your console, that is your output, where for this program your output will be displayed over here. Okay, so this is how your web driver looks like. Okay, so this has given you a clear idea what exactly is a web driver. So now let us move into second component of Selenium, that is my Selenium IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. That means I should, there is something called different environments where we are integrating it to develop a final product. Okay, so this IDE is mainly used for recording and playback for the script. Okay, that means while writing a script, you can on this Selenium IDE and put it in a recording mode. It will keep on recording, and whenever you want your script to run it back, just go for playback option. Okay. And the third point what I have given is it is an add-on on Mozilla Firefox, which means we can download the Selenium IDE from Mozilla Firefox and we can record and run the script in Mozilla Firefox only. That means if you're working on Selenium IDE, you need something called add-on which we can download it from Selenium and we can record and run the script only in Mozilla. Keep it in mind, it should be done only in Mozilla. No other browsers help you out with Selenium IDE. Okay? And the final thing says that we can run the recorded script against other browsers by using Selenium Grid. This point you will understand at the later stages of Selenium that grid is nothing but your outcome. Okay. So to make you clearly understand about Selenium IDE, let me give exactly how the Selenium IDE looks. Okay. This is how the Selenium IDE looks. This green button, what you have to do is your record button. You have to just click on that. When you click on that, here you can see a red option. That means your screen is getting recorded. And just run your program. When it will be in a recording mode. If you want to stop it, come and click again on the same button. So here are the commands which will get typed automatically while writing a program, and this is your output for that. Okay, so this is how your Selenium IDE looks like. Okay, so this has given you a clear idea about Selenium IDE. So these two, this Selenium WebDriver and my Selenium IDE are my clients in Selenium. The next thing what we are going to learn is Selenium RC and Selenium Grid. These two are related to servers. Okay. Okay. So Selenium RC stands for Remote Control. That means it is a server and it launches the browser. That means while working on WebDriver and Selenium IDE, we are actually working on client side. But everything is getting stored in Selenium RC. Okay. So it acts as an API and library for Selenium. In Selenium RC, we have a list of APIs which runs background while dealing with front programs. Okay. We need to configure the Selenium RC with the supported languages, then only we can automate an application. That means if you are working on different programming languages like HTML, Perl, Python and all, you need to configure. That means you need to make some changes in Selenium RC. Then only you you can easily automate an application. Okay, why? Because this is a server. We are going to make changes in configuring the servers. Then only it will help me to work on the client. Okay. So now let us move to a last session, that is Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid is the one which helps to fetch the output. Okay. While fetching the output, different things comes into picture is Selenium Grid is used for launching the multiple browsers with supported operating system in parallelly. That means multiple browsers can be launched. That means your Mozilla, Chrome and Internet Explorer can be launched with supporting operating system in parallel. Okay, we can run the script on different browsers in parallelly. That means I don't have to run my single script in Mozilla first, then Chrome next, and then Internet Explorer next. What I can do is I can run the same script in different browsers at a time. Okay, it allow you to easily run multiple tests in parallel on multiple machines in a heterogeneous environment. That means different environments will be supported if you are working on a Selenium grid. That means your output, what you are going to get, will be depending upon the different environments and depending upon the different multiple machines and depending upon the different tests in parallels. That means different environments coming into picture in different machines, that different machines are running your different tests. Okay, so by this you can execute somewhere around n number of test cases at a time. Okay, when we are dealing with Selenium grid, we are actually dealing with outputs. To get an output in a easier way, we deal with Selenium grid. Okay, so this has given you a clear idea about what exactly is a Selenium, what are the features of Selenium, and what are the components of Selenium. Keep it in mind, we are mainly dealing with WebDriver and with IDE. Okay. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.